Hi friends, hope all are doing well, safe and healthy. Today I am at my balcony here in Dubai. Now current temperature it is showing noon time. Current temperature it is showing 41 degrees Celsius in my mobile. Here today I am coming to just share with you how to propagate the sweet potato at home, especially in the balcony and in the pot, how we can grow the sweet potato well. See, it is almost 1 month old, more than 1 month, maybe 1.5 months old sweet potato plants. How I made, I'll show you the steps. You can follow this one, what you have to do to grow sweet potato at home. Here you can see I bought the sweet from the Lulu supermarket 10 days ago. I keep inside the kitchen. Now I want to show you what it was happened. I am just opening the bag. This is one variety. I keep 10 days without opening. You can see it is sprouting now. You can see here. We can call this is the slips. This is another one. It is sprout very well. See, you can see the green leaf as well, small one. Here this is in the what we can pink in color, but inside will be the whitish flesh. There are two different varieties of, I want to show you the different varieties as well. That is the reason I show you. Here what I used to, here to grow the sweet potato plants, here I used to cut from here. You understand this one? Only the edges where this is go, I cut. Both side I used to cut and I used to plant. This one also I can see only one side it is grown. That side I will cut. The remaining part I am using for the cooking purpose or whatever, the preparing the food and all that. For the usage I am using only the edges I used to grow this one. What will happen this one? You can see it is grown up. This is almost 2 weeks ago. You can see so many plants here. It is grown up. In the temperature, even though temperature high, it is no matter. It is growing well. Only the thing whenever you are planting this one, you have to put in the down. Means when it is grow up, you have to fill the pot. Here it is only half filled. When it is grow up, you have to fill more. Now you can see this is almost 1.5 months. Now it is grow up. Now I fill little bit in the pot. Again we can fill full. Then you will get the best result. Always what I have to tell this one, there are two methods of propagating the plants, sweet potato plants. One is using the sweet potato itself. It is called the slips. Another one, you can use the vines as well. One, it is the matured, you can cut and use the vines. You can plant here and there, and you have to wait 5 to 7 months until you will get enough sweet potato. That I will show separately. I hope it will benefit you. If you like, share the video. Thank you for watching. Good luck. Bye bye.